Question number 1. We have y square plus y is equal to 12. Then find y. So y square plus y is equal to 12 and it is y square plus y minus 12 is equal to 0 and it is y square and plus y is plus 4y minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 and y square plus 4y it is y times y plus 4 and minus 3y minus 12 it is minus 3 times y plus 4 that is equal to 0 and it is y minus 3 times y plus 4 is equal to 0. So either y minus 3 can be 0, y minus 3 can be 0, so y will be equal to 3 and y plus 4 can be 0, y plus 4 can be 0, so y will be equal to minus 4. So y is 3 and minus 4. And question number 2. We have to simplify a power minus 1 plus b power minus 1 divided by a power minus 2 minus b power minus 2. So we have a power minus 1 plus b power minus 1 divided by a power minus 2 minus b power minus 2 and x power minus a is equal to 1 by x power a. So a power minus 1 will be 1 by a power 1 plus b power minus 1 will be 1 by b power 1 divided by a power minus 2 will be 1 by a power 2 minus b power minus 2 will be 1 by b power 2 and it is b plus a by ab divided by and this is b square minus a square by a square b square and x divided by y it is equal to x times 1 by y. So this will be equal to b plus a by ab times a square b square by b square minus a square and it is b plus a by ab times a square b square by and b square minus a square will be b plus a times b minus a b plus a will get cancelled, and a will get cancelled, and b will get cancelled. So it is ab by b minus a. It is ab by b minus a. And question number 3, we have a square plus b square is equal to 80 and a minus b is equal to 4. Then we have to find ab. So a minus b is equal to 4, and if we square it both side, then a minus b whole square will be equal to 4 square, and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to 4 square is 16, and a square plus b square, it is 80 minus 2ab is equal to 16. So 2ab will be equal to 80 minus 16, and 2ab is equal to 64. So ab will be 64 by 2, that is 32. AB is 32. And question number 4, a square minus b square divided by a plus b is equal to 25. Then a minus b is equal to what? So we have a square minus b square divided by a plus b is equal to 25, and a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b divided by a plus b is equal to 25, and x divided by y, it is equal to x by y. So this will be equal to a plus b times a minus b by a plus b, that is equal to 25, and a plus b will get cancelled. So a minus b is equal to 25. A minus b is 25, and question number 5, 3x minus y is equal to 5, then 8 power x by 2 power y is equal to what? So we have to find the value of 8 power x by 2 power y, and 8 is 2 power 3 power x by 2 power y, and x power a whole power b, it is equal to x power a times b. So it will be equal to 2 power 3 times x will be 3x by 2 power y, and x power a by x power b, it is equal to x power a minus b. So 2 power 3x by 2 power y, it will be 2 power 3x minus y, and it is 2 power, and 3x minus y is 5. It is 5, and 2 power 5 is 32. So it is 32.